And now at least one school administrator is advising the government to rethink the virtual reopening of all schools come Monday. Principal for the Grateful Hill Primary School in St. Catherine, Anthony Moody, says rural schools, which are already at a disadvantage, should be allowed to have face-to-face classes. Kalisha Williams explains.
It's bad enough having classes in a pandemic. Worse if they're online and you're living in a rural area without internet access. And a nightmare if you don't even have the required gadgets. Well, that's the reality of students and staff at the Grateful Hill Primary and Infant School in St. Catherine.
So if I even have data on my phone, still not going to work because the phone not picking up, so I can't access the data.
With COVID-19 cases soaring island-wide, the government announced that all classes will be conducted online when schools reopen come Monday, October 5. However, schools like Grateful Hill have been racing to prepare. As principal for the school, George Moody told me it's been an uphill battle.
I did an auditing with my students and parents, and more than 85% of the student population, they are without tablets or gadgets to use the internet.
So on Friday, he summoned a meeting with parents and students to iron out the issues and discuss plans for the new school term. The disparity was evident. Only a few students were able to download the Zoom app, which they need for classes on Monday.
When you get the link on Monday, you just go in the app, right?
Mr. Moody believes this could have been avoided if rural schools were allowed to conduct face-to-face classes.
School in the urban area, where you have some classes with 45 and they have 6 streams, 6 classes in one grade. We may have 2 and we have a space and we have put in the protocols to observe, as you can see. And I said, wow, one broad base is used to assess everyone.
Which is why he's advising the government to reconsider its strategy.
I believe a true assessment should be done on an individual school basis and examine the role, the attendance or the amount of students registered, and look at the space factor and see how best you can accommodate. Because yes, online is the way based on the pandemic, but the reality is a number of students will be left behind.
To put things into perspective, he took us on a personal tour of one of the classrooms.
It will be one child per desk. One child per desk. There's nothing inside so we'll ensure that the place, the area is dust free. The teacher or the caregiver will be moving or roving to ensure that students maintain their distance, because these are young toddlers.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.